I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying your Ps4 model and whether it supports a 2.5 SATA drive. This matters because physical fit and power draw differ. Once done, immediately back up saved games to the cloud or a USB stick so you don't lose progress. Make sure you have the right tools, a Torx T8 and small Phillips, and the replacement drive ready. I'll walk you through removing the old drive, installing the new one, and preparing for system software reinstall. Power off the console fully and unplug all cables. You don't want power during the swap. Next, remove the cover and unscrew the drive cage, sliding the old drive out and swapping it with the new SSD or HDD. Tighten the screws snugly, but don't strip them. Then prepare a FAT32 formatted USB drive with a Ps4/update folder containing the latest Ps4 console reinstall file named Ps4 Update. PUP. This is required to connect the USB with the Ps4 update. PUP file, then boot into safe mode by holding the power button until a second beep. Choose Initialize Ps4, reinstall system software, and follow the prompts. The console will format the drive and install the OS. After setup, restore your saves from cloud or USB and run Rebuild Database in safe mode to optimize file tables and recover space. If storage is still incorrect, try another cable, reseat the drive, or test the drive on a PC to rule out faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.